Earn $5 every hour online in 2025. Five server earnings made easy to work from home method without no investments. Welcome, guys. It's Salva Legends here again, and today I'll be showing you guys how to earn using Five Server platform. This is an amazing platform that has been here for a couple of months to a year right now, and they have been doing so good for a long time now. And this is a platform I would want you guys to try out, right? So I can actually show you guys this because I have worked on it and it's been paying me a whole lot of money, right? So I thought it wise to show you guys how to earn with this and from this platform by yourself at home, right? So let's go into how the platform works. Okay, now look at this right here. I just completed a survey, and that is $1. If I complete another one, $2. Third one, $3. Fourth one, $4, and the fifth one here should be $5, and then it goes to my balance, right? Yes, that's how it is. All right, here on the platform, they just brought around the offers that you can actually work on here. You guys, here on the offerable space, you actually work on apps. Okay, you can actually download applications for yourself on your laptop and you get paid. Right here we have $33, a dollar, $4, and all that stuff. It's all pretty easy, right? Let's say we click on this one here saying $4, and you would actually see that here they have the steps you need to follow through, and you need to be a new user to get the money. Okay, you need to be a new user. If you are not a new user, you will never get paid. Okay, through the awful wall space. All right, you need to be a new user to make use of this. Okay, so I hope you all understand that. I'm trying to make this very fast and for you guys to understand. All right, and give you guys the guidelines you actually need to work with doing surveys. Okay, there's a most of you guys right there actually working in surveys and don't really know how to go around surveys. Okay, now surveys, you need to be consistent working in surveys. You need to be consistent. That's the most of it. If you tell them that you are from the US, make sure you are from the US. You don't change your information. If you're telling them a profile info about yourself that you are, okay, maybe you are 30 years old, and then later on you forgot the age you made use of and you put in 7 years old. That's really bad for your account. Okay, you will definitely get banned at the end of the day. So it's best when you're working on surveys, stick to your preferred age. I mean, make use of your real age, your real information. Okay. Yes, those are you guys that are actually making use of VPNs, proxies, like already dropped here on my channel. You find proxies to make use of, example, Big Mama and all that stuff, peer proxy. If you are choosing a location and you are in the US, choosing the location right there for the US, stick to that one. Okay, don't switch and don't flap. All right. Now this is it. For example, here I just click on this one here, being 8 minutes. I just complete the information right here. Can you see? It says continue, and then this is the survey coming through. So this is right here, as on my screen you can see right now that it's actually loading through the survey. So once it gets into the survey, like I already said, guys, you need to be consistent. If you are not consistent working in service, guys, you are not gonna get it right. Okay, I need you paying close attention. I need you being consistent, and that's how you would do it right. Okay, whatever age you're making use of, make sure you actually make use of the same age as it is. Okay, don't switch. Okay, let's click on another one and see what happens. It should take us into the survey. Okay, right here, as a leader or manager in a mid-sized organization, 500 to 1,999 employees. How involved are you in shaping your company's learning and development strategy? So I'll put in fully responsible because from the onset of this account, I actually made use of director. So I am fully in charge of the company, and that is how you do it. You need to pay attention to whatever you're doing. You need to make sure that you are doing the things right in a good way, a consistent way, and that's how you get it all done. Right, you can see on my screen now the server is loading through, and once it gets in, you need to pay close attention to every information and be mindful of quality check questions. Okay, I'm gonna drop my Telegram group in the description down below. If you want to join in, you're welcome because I'll be dropping information there on my Telegram group. They're on my Telegram group, guys. You'll be finding a lot of information to help you shape your survey knowledge. Okay, I promise you that you'll be getting a whole lot. I mean, one-in-one coaching from me to you. Okay, there on my Telegram group, I also drop a profile info that you can actually make use of for yourself, and that is it. A lot of information, dropping the latest informations that you would want to key into, guys. A lot of information that I know definitely will help you out. Okay, so right here, if you know your zip code, definitely you put in the zip code. I already mentioned it, guys. If you don't know your zip code, you go to war.net, and this is right here, war.net. And once you have it there, you'll find your zip code, and that is it. Okay, so I don't want this video to get too extensive. Let me just show you guys how to withdraw. Let's say you made your $5 right here. The next thing you gotta do is you tap on claim reward, and it's gonna show through everything. We have ACH bank transfer, we have PayPal, we have gift cards, we have Venmo, we have Revolut, we have physical Visa, we have virtual Visa. So any one of them you actually want to make use of, is fine. Okay, yes, it's absolutely good. ACH $5 is the minimum. PayPal $5 is the minimum, and that's how it is, guys. Thank you so much. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share to your friends, drop your questions in the description down there, guys, the comment section right there, guys. I will respond to everybody, guys. Let us grow together. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching through down until the end. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.